Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you enable or activate voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to three dot. Now you have to go to setting. Now you have to click on this privacy option. Now you have to scroll down and you will see here two options, microphone and camera input. And if you don't see this microphone input microphone option here, it means you haven't verified your age. You have to verify your age by uploading photo ID and selfie. And once you upload it, this option will be available. And now you just need to click on this toggle button to enable it. And now click on this enable button to enable microphone. Once you enable it, just close this privacy. And now you just need to so basically, if you want to verify your age, just go to this in account info and enter your birth date and DOB, and once you enter, just click on verify my age and upload all the requirement things. And once you upload it, now open any game that supports microphone and camera communication. So let me see which game is I think this. Open this game, so we can open this game. Let's see. Yeah, it supports microphone and camera, so let's open it. Now guys, once you enter the game, now you just need to tap on this mic icon at a far side. As you can see, let me show you this icon. You have to click on this icon to get voice chat on Roblox. Just click on it and you will see the variation here, and you can also see it started talking fine. So yeah, hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. And that's how you can activate voice chat on Roblox. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and till then, bye bye.